Try something different.
Alright.
Maybe kind of romantic stuff like Romeo and Juliet. Let's just try hide and seek. To be nice, I guess. Okay, so I'm gonna close my eyes
Okay.
and go and hide. Okay.
I know, say the things you they do no pay. Say you they play with a guy like me, my girl, you no pay. Ooh, I know, say you go make a guy buy one day. I know, say if I no leave you, I swear I feel buy today.
Jesus is Lord.
Child.
Apostle, we have this.
Did I disappoint you or let you down? Should I be feeling guilty or let the judges down? Cause I goodbye my lover, goodbye my friend. You have been the one.